Top 4 reasons to use augmented reality in your manufacturing operations. Number 1. Improve manufacturing throughput. AR technology and remote eye platform can provide step-by-step task workflow in your field of vision, and remote assistance from experts allowing for increased productivity and reducing errors that could be avoided. Number 2. Increase training efficiency. With the remote eye platform, an on-the-job trainee can be in conference with a mentor to ensure the best possible outcome. Remote eye also has the capability to show 3D models that would also accelerate training. Number 3. Enhance operator efficiency and overall safety. Provision of task workflow and illustration of manufacturing processes can help reduce stress on analyzing and misinterpretation of instructions on the part of the operator. This feature of remote eye also provides an extra layer of protection for the overall safety of the operator. Number 4. Reduce production costs. Increasing operator efficiency and manufacturing throughput are great ways to reduce production costs. Augmented reality, integrated with AI and IoT, can offer solutions to repetitive problems that would otherwise take up time and additional costs. Augmented reality enhances the entire manufacturing process. From improving throughput to accelerating training, reducing cost, and improving operator performance, AR will change the way you do business. Learn more about remote eye platform and the power of augmented reality for manufacturing at www.thirdeyegen.com.